how to update Block Blast on Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can update your Block Blast on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your phone's settings and then you need to make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi network, because sometimes when you are not connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, the update issue arises. Or if you're using the mobile data, then I suggest you to transfer to any good mobile data such as 5G or something, so that you have plenty of network to update. And then you need to check your phone storage, that you need to have storage to update Block Blast, because if you don't have storage, then you will not be able to update Block Blast. And if the issue is still there, you need to go back to your Play Store. And then here you got to click on search bar and then search for Block Blast. And here is the Block Blast one, that is second one. So if this game has any updates, it will be written update over here. But if there are no updates, like you can see here right now, it's written uninstall or play. If the update button is not over there, that means that the game is already updated to the latest version and you don't need to update it any further. So if you have not updated it, you'll be able to see an update button and you can just click on update and your Block Blast will be updated. So that was basically how we can update Block Blast on your Android device. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.